This is the story of the first human to stand face to face with a dinosaur. A wanderer of a savage world. He knew every shadow, every sound of the forest. But that day, he heard something he had never heard before. Through the swirling mist, three shapes emerged, small, alive, and moving. His breath caught. They weren't spirits or shadows. Dinosaurs. A deep vibration rolled through the ground. Not thunder this time, but footsteps. She appeared, vast. The mother of the young ones. He ran, lungs burning and heart pounding, as the massive shadow of the mother dinosaur closed in behind him. Every step thundered through the forest. He glances ahead. The jungle opens to reveal a colossal waterfall. Mist rising, glistening in the sunlight. The dinosaur cannot follow, frozen at the cliff's edge, frustration and disbelief in her massive eyes. The prehistoric man fights the current, swimming through the roaring river below the falls. At last, he drifts into calmer water, exhausted but alive.